In this video, my wife and I go on a walking tour of Charleston and check out Patriots Point. If this is your first time here and you would like to see travelers who journey to places across the globe, please subscribe to this channel. We're at the Charleston Harbor Marina. It's huge aircraft carriers, old submarines, I believe came from the American Revolution up here. So we're gonna check some of these out and check out some of the yachts and other boats in the marina. Where you say the sailboats are for the team? You think the team sailboats are where? Right, I can see that. Those number ones. We think that the college of Charleston sail team, these are the boats right here. Okay. How many numbers are there? That's like about 18. We're starting our walking tour through Charleston, starting at King and Queen, going to the Battery, and ending up at Stoll's Alley. Our food tour guide was the one who suggested that we do this walking tour, observing the historic houses and streets of Charleston, stopping at the Battery, the Wall of Charleston, and ending at Stoll's Alley, which is known for its ironwork. We actually started at King and Queen. Now we're headed to the Battery, which is the seawall of Charleston. Apparently it's gorgeous, so I'm gonna stay there for a little bit and then we're gonna head to Stoll's Alley after that. So we're currently at the Battery, the seawall of Charleston. Pretty relaxing too. We finished our walking tour checking out Stoll's Alley, which is a very narrow alley, where some portions of the street are only around 5 feet wide. Apparently all the ironwork was done by hand. So this is the ironwork that was done by hand. It's along a lot of the alleys.
This wraps up our adventures in Charleston, and we look forward to visiting this charming city in the future.